Kansas State Fair, Saturday morning. September the 7th, I do believe.
Yesterday the newspaper came out. My cousin was ready.
Just got here. We're on the Sky Ride right now. It's a beautiful day today. It's not real hot yet. It's in the upper, maybe middle 70s. It's just a beautiful day, not a cloud in the sky. Or not very many anyway. Anyway, it's a really nice day today. Of course, you got the grandstands over there. That's where all the performances take place. Concerts, monster trucks, that sort of thing is right over there. And then we're approaching the midway area where all the rides are. And then on this side is where the animal barns and all that are, is on this side. I got a glare on this, so hopefully I'm doing this okay. And there again, there's the midway over here. So that's where all the rides are. That big brick building, that's called Cottonwood Court. And that's where all the food vendors, restaurants, whatever, are if you want to eat inside. And actually the building beneath us is where the chickens and, oh, it's just another animal barn area. This one here is called the Prairie Pavilions. And we're just scooting right along. We got the round trip, so we're going to make a trip back. Tell you what, it was very crowded when we got to Hutch. We just backed up, oh gosh, a mile or two. We finally made it. Had to park out in the boonies. This is the first weekend of the fair. Yesterday, of course, was the very first day. And then we're going to pan around over here. And there's just some more of the midway. What? Just stay on. No, they won't. Just tell them it's for us too. Sorry, the wife's got my ticket with her. But anyway, it'll be all right. We're just we're gonna make a go around here. I'm gonna go back the other way. I may pause this here for just a bit when we get down to the bottom again. But there's a lot of eating places, all kinds of vendors, all kinds of stuff to eat. Then down below us, more vendors. They sell just a little bit of everything. And that's a close-up of the Prairie Pavilion. And then here we are, just making our way across the fair. No, she just told me they might make me get off because I don't have my ticket, but I don't think they will. Hopefully they won't anyway. Boy, it is just really, really nice today. Hope it stays this way today. It's been really hot and muggy here lately. But today is really nice. Okay, we stopped here for just a little bit. Somebody must be getting off. That's all right. We're We're just going to wait here for a little bit. Kind of give you a little. It's all right. Yeah.
Does that scare you?
Okay, we're going to be going down here. I think I'm just going to pause this for a minute, get past this little hiccup here. Hopefully it'll turn out to be. We got to get off. That's not my ticket. Okay, we're starting the descent now. I think I'm going to pause this for just a minute. We'll be back with you just as soon as we get past this turnaround point here. Okay, well, we made it. The wife just told them that she had our tickets, so we just swung on around and now we're going back up again. This over here is called Oz Gallery. That building right over here.
The Wizard of Oz.
Wizard of Oz.
Because we're in Kansas.
Now we're going back up again. I got a really bad glare on this screen, so hopefully I'm filming everything okay. You guys ever go to Hutch to go to State Fair? If you're acquainted with this area at all, you really have to stop at Yoder and go to the Carriage Crossing restaurant. Really, really, really good food. And it's not expensive at all. Not compared to some places that you might go to. Yeah, when you take that first Yoder exit and you go to the railroad tracks, it's right there. On your right, it'd be on your right hand side there in Yoder, Kansas. Really nice. Carriage Crossing. They have a gift shop. It has some pretty cool stuff in it. Now we're going back the other way, and there again, there's the Midway. I tell you what, I'm really doing this blind. I really can't even see what I'm filming this morning. There's another shot of the Midway. Gosh, I hope this is coming out because I really can't see what I'm doing. If any of you have ever tried to film or tape, you know what I'm talking about. It's just like looking at a blank screen. Okay, now I can kind of see a little bit now. And I even wear prescription sunglasses and it's still, sorry about the shaking. Let me see if I can kind of pan over this way a little bit. I'm trying not to shake it too bad. Oh boy. Kind of give you another bird's eye view of the Midway area. Gosh, I hope that turns out. Oh man, I tell you what, that's crazy. Anyway, now we're just going back the way we came. I can make out some of it. Kind of show you the Midway area. I'm kind of going to pig races later on today. We got here, well, a little bit later than what we normally do, but that's okay. I tell you what, wowee. I'm trying to keep this where I can see what I'm doing here. Not get my fingers in the way.
Grandpa, did you know I saw the mystery machine once?
And there's a birthing center right down there. Building coming up right here on our right. I think I can make it out. Also, if anybody out there ever wants to go, they got these tin cups that you can buy now. They're a little expensive when you first buy them, but you get free drinks all day long. You just walk up, then the drinks are in these, they look like kegs, and they have a variety of drinks, orange drink, root beer, I don't know what all. They have quite a variety of drinks, and it's all free after that, the initial cost of the tin mugs. And they really come in handy. You just walk up and grab you a fresh cold drink and go on. But there's no lids.
Baby go. Baby go. Cute.
Kind of look straight down here.
And another room.
And there's
Over
the
there.
animal
Over there.
area.
I got something. Over there. There's
Sheeps, goats.
this.
And there's, I don't know if you can tell or not, but there's a parking lot area way out there. That's just where we came from.
Hi, horsey.
Yeah, there's quite a bit to do here at the State Fair. All kind of rides for the kids and exhibits to look at. And there's concerts and monster trucks and all that to go to.
Trucks today.
We don't normally do those, but we may do that someday. I just noticed there's some more of the grandstand area. They got the big buses over there. That must be some sort of a group or something. There's the expo center, swine exhibits.
After the discussion or something. It says adopt a wild
Yeah. Well, I'm going to be doing some more filming, pig races, hopefully, and just things of that nature. Today, they got the log carving, and that's really cool too. Okay, guys, I think we're going to close this out for right now. We're getting ready to get to the end of our ride, but we'll be back a little bit later. So just hang on, and we'll be back here just a little bit.